TCP Point Cloud editor allows you to generate video animations, as we will see. We activate the corresponding tool on the app's ribbon and add several camera viewpoints to define the itinerary. Here you can appreciate the route that we have defined from 5 points. Now we enter the AVI file name to create, review other parameters such as resolution, speed and elements to include and start recording. Once the process is completed, by pressing the corresponding button, we can watch the generated video.